coming from the world of MotoGP, we've got kind of a cool little story. If you don't watch this, that is Marc Marquez and his brother Alex, who both race for, I think it's Grissini Ducati, which is a satellite team of Ducati, but something that hasn't happened in 27 years. Both brothers on the podium together. And the last time was in 27 years, 1997, something like that. The Aoki brothers. I'm not even going to try and say their first names. I'm sorry. But it's pretty big, especially considering these two guys race for the same team. They're massively different in ages. Like Marc Marquez has been around for a very long time. And to have something like this, I think he finished, I think it was second and third, which is still super cool. I mean, to have for the team in general to have both people on the podium at the same time. It's a big accomplishment, good, good race for the team. For the brothers, it's something cool to share because, this is apparently very, very hard to do. I mean, obviously, you have to have two brothers racing in the same sport at the same time. They both have to be good and on competitive bikes, and they both have to podium, which, this is very, very hard to do. And it's cool for them. I mean, obviously, I highly doubt it's going to happen very often again. If it's been 27 years for one, it's going to be a long time for another. So, I don't know. Comments down below. Tell me, do you guys watch MotoGP? Are you excited for this? Are you excited for the season? Who are you rooting for? Whatever it is, comment down below. Right down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And I'll see you later. Peace.